In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact in Agile CRM using the interface you see on your screen. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly where to click, what each part of the form means, and how to avoid common mistakes that can lead to bad or incomplete data in your CRM. First, make sure you're logged in to your Agile CRM account and you're on the main contacts page. You should see your existing contacts listed along with the main toolbar at the top of the screen. In the upper right-hand corner, look for the button labeled Add Contact. This is usually marked with a plus sign to make it stand out as an action button. Go ahead and click the Add Contact button. As soon as you do, a pop-up form will appear. This is where you'll enter all the details about the person or company you want to add. Take a moment to look over the form before you start typing. You'll typically see fields for basic information such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and company, along with any custom fields your organization has set up. Start by filling in the most essential details first. Usually, the minimum you'll want is a name and an email address, since those are what you'll use most often to identify and reach this contact. Be careful with spelling here, especially for email addresses, because a typo can prevent your messages from ever being delivered. Next, add any additional information that will be useful for your sales, marketing, or support teams. That might include the contact's job title, their role in the company, their phone number, or tags that help categorize them. Tags are especially helpful for segmenting your database later, so think about how you might want to filter or group contacts in the future. If your organization uses custom fields such as region, lead source, or product interest, fill those out as well. The more accurate your data is at this stage, the more powerful your CRM becomes for reporting and automation. Once you've reviewed everything and you're confident the information is correct, look toward the bottom of the pop-up and click the Save button. Agile CRM will then create the new contact record and add it to your contact list. You should now be able to search for that contact, open their profile, and start logging interactions, notes, tasks, or campaigns associated with them.